namang umaga. Nandito nga tayo sa Revenue Region 7 na office ng BIR sa Quezon City. At napakapalad natin at kasama natin si Commissioner Kim Hena. Magandang umaga po, ma'am.
Good morning po.
Magandang umaga rin, ho.
Siyempre, Sandro, simulan na natin. Ito naman, lahat talaga ay deadline ngayon sa pagpa-file ng income tax return. Para po sa kaalaman ng mga viewers natin, ano po ba itong income tax return na sinasabi po nila?
Well, every April 15, if you are an individual, and then if you're a business, and your calendar year, no, yung January 1 to December 31, yung tax year nyo, you are supposed to file an income tax return on April 15 for your tax year 2012.
Ma'am, para naman po siguro sa kaalaman ng ating mga manonood, ano po ba yung purpose or yung use po ng kanilang pagpa-file ng income tax return?
Well, everyone who earns income in the Philippines, no, should pay taxes, no. So the income tax return is basically the way you pay the taxes.
Yes.
And if you don't pay your taxes, there are surcharge and interest and penalties involved, no. So this is how we will determine whether we will the correct tax,
Yes.
and or if you have not, how much we will assess you or whether we will file criminal case against you.
Ma'am, what are the requirements po sa pagpa-file ng income tax return and the step-by-step process?
Well, first, no, you have to fill up the form. No, there's three type of form: 1700, which is for compensation income earner; 1701 for business individual, and mix, compensation and business. Then 1702 is the corporate income tax return form. No? First, if you don't know yet whether you're registered here, of course you have to verify where you are registered, because you're required to file there. No? Then fill up your forms. Normally, if you're a business, you have financial statement already, so you just follow what's in your income statement. No? If you're an individual compensation income earner, you have the W2 form, no? So the 2-3 something form, no? Yeah, the data are there, no?
Yes.
Then you compute. Actually, we have an interactive software in our website. You can download it,
Okay.
can fill it up, and it will compute for you, no? How much taxes you're going to pay.
Yes, ma'am. Para naman po sa, aside po from these financial statements, para po sa mga manonood natin na gusto pong humabol siguro, ano po ba yung mga iba po pong requirements po na kailangan nilang ipresenta sa pagpunta po nila dito sa inyong ahensya?
Yun lang income tax, yung return filed. Siyempre sa return may cedula number, no? Nandun pa rin yun. Kung may babayaran ka, your check payable to the Bureau of Internal Revenue, then the amount, no? Then you come here, you go to the bank. If there's something you have to pay, you file there. If you don't have anything to pay, you go to the revenue officers and they will stamp it received. They will keep 2 copy and return some to you.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Matanong ko lang, paano po nila malalaman kung meron po silang kailangan bayaran? Naman po, hindi po lahat ng ating mga manonood ay ready po siguro magdala ng malalaking amount po siguro ng pera kasi hindi po nila alam nga kung gaano kalaki rin yung kanilang babayaran. So how can they find out?
Actually, they should not bring cash. They should issue a check.
Okay.
If possible,
Check pa
no?
lang ini-issue.
I mean, you can pay in cash kung ikaw personally ang magbabayad, no? But we would advise if you're giving it to somebody to pay, you should give them a check
Okay.
and make it payable to the Bureau of Internal Revenue para siguradong pupunta ho yan sa
BIR.
gobyerno, no? Kasi baka ma-divert, no?
Actually, tama po si ma'am. Ako kasi ang ginagawa ko, Sandro, check rin ako kung mag-issue. Tapos sa ilalim, nilalagyan ko para sure for BIR payment only. So pwede po natin ilista yan sa mga check-in natin. So ma'am, mga gaano po karami ang tinataya natin o inaasahan natin na hahabol po sa deadline ng pag-file ng income tax return?
Marami. We have been campaigning na sana maaga, pero as usual, I think everyone will be here the last day.
Last minute na naman po. Ma'am, ngayon po namin na nag-receive na po kayo ng mga tao simula 5:30 ng umaga po, pero natigil po ito pansamantala dahil po sa mass. Pero ngayon po open na naman po kayo. And sabi po is until 5 p.m. daw po kayo. Is there any chance na po na ma-extend po ang 5 p.m. deadline po ninyo?
No, the 5 p.m. it's a 5 p.m. deadline, but if you're already nakapila, we will serve you, no?
Okay.
There's no extension of the April 15 deadline.
Okay, I see.
So ano po ba yung mga strategies po na ginagawa ng BIR para po mas magkaroon ng public awareness tungkol po sa pagpa-file ng BIR? Bukod po sa nasabi nyo nga po may campaign, baka po may mga iba pa kayong proyekto ang BIR po?
Actually, we came up with an ad, we came up with a billboard, we came up with print ad, no? TV ad to make people aware, no? Then I think for the past week, we're overexposed on TV, radio, di ba? And print, basically trying to inform people that they have to file their income tax.
Ma'am, how about your campaign through the internet po, since this is like new media rin po, and then you talked about kanina na you have a website where they can compute already and print out the forms. How is this, has this been a big help to your agency as well?
Well, I think it's a big help to the taxpayer, no? In helping them prepare the return, no? And I believe that the Office of the President also came up with something in the Facebook, no?
Yes.
Telling people that the deadline is April 15 and all those things.
Mga ano naman po itong tinatawag yun na brains o yung BIR ready and aware in information security?
Well, this is something internal to the Bureau, no? It is to secure our network, no?
Okay.
Yung internet facility namin, because we do business through the net, no? To the web.
So, kasama rin po ba dito yung tinatawag na BIR portal?
Yeah, to secure the portal to make sure whatever we are not be hacked.
Ma'am, going back to the topic kung sa mga nagko-file ng income tax return. Ma'am, yung mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon, paano po nila malalaman po, malalaman po nila kung saan yung mga filing centers through asking their offices po. Pero how many filing centers do you have po around around the Philippines?
Well, if your filing does not require payment, no, we open some center in some of the mall. I don't have the specific list of the mall, no. But if your return has payment, we cannot receive it in those health center, no.
Yes.
You have to really go to banks that are accredited by the Bureau of Internal Revenue.
Para makapagbayad nga. Yes.
Ano naman po itong tinatawag ma'am na performance-based bonus?
That's a government-wide way of giving incentive, diba? Because before, everyone gets 5,000 pesos, whether you perform well or perform well. So now what the DBM did and the President is that they set aside the fund. If you are a good performer, it's possible for you to get rewarded for as high an amount of 35,000.
So talaga Sandro, ang ganda, full blast, pati ang proyekto ng BIR, pati ang pag-campaign nila sa pag-file ng income tax return. Ngayon at syempre sana po talaga ay lahat humabol na ngayon. At dahil ito ay hanggang 5 o'clock
Yes.
ng hapon.
Ma'am, yung kanina po kasi ako po mismo tinry out ko po yung proseso. And napakadali kasi kukuha ka lang ng form and may mga assistance center nga po kayo na tumutulong. Pero para po sa mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon, kasi hindi po nila alam yung mga exemptions po. Minsan kung nag-fill up po sila ng mga form, may mga parts po doon siguro na hindi po nila alam kung ano yung ilalagay, like yung mga exemptions po. Baka pwede po natin i-explain po sa ating mga manonood kung ano yung mga exemptions po na nakabilang sa
Well, you have a personal exemption, no? If for the one filing, 50,000 pesos for the filer. Then you have dependent that's below 18 yata or 21 years
Children,
old.
yes.
Yeah, children. It's 25,000 per person up to a maximum of 4.
Ma'am, may pinaplano po ba kayong idagdag sa system ng BIR for this year 2013?
Marami. We're working on 30 projects, no?
30 projects,
so
ang
there's
dami.
a lot of things going on.
Ma'am, ngayon naman po, siguro, magkano po ba yung target po ninyo
Na buwis?
na tax, makokollect from the tax? And do you think po, this is, makokollect po ninyo ito today po, being the last day?
No, the whole year target is 1.253 trillion.
Wow.
This is for the whole year.
For the whole
So
year.
we will be working on it for the whole year.
Ayan, Sandro. So, napanood po natin yan. Siyempre, kailangan po tayo talaga mag-file ng income tax return. Alam naman po natin kung bakit. Dahil ito ay napaka-importante. Na-explain naman sa atin kanina ni Commissioner. And of course, last day po ulit ngayon namin. April 15, 2013 hanggang 5 o'clock po yan ng hapon.
Ma'am, baka meron na lang po kayong huling message po na gustong ipahiwatig sa ating mga manonood ngayon.
Nakikiusap po kami, no, na nanawagan na today is the deadline, wala hong extension. Please go to the bank or to the BIR offices before 5, no? Because by 5, kung wala na tao, talagang magsisara na kami, no? At kung late kayo, may surcharge ho yan at may interest pa ho, no? At kung hindi kayo nag-file ng tama o hindi kayo nag-file, maaring meron pa hong tax evasion case.
Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Commissioner
Thank
Kim
you.
Pares.